Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Pad, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture, have it open and visible on your screen. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me it's already open and visible. And once that is so, hold power key and volume down at the same time. So I'm just going to kind of reach around. Press both of them and hold them. You get this flash, and from there you have a couple options. You have scroll and send. Now the first time around it gives you a notification on what these options do. So tap to make a scrolling screenshot, and obviously send is just sharing option. Now as you can see, the scroll option was grayed out for me because I can't really scroll here. What I just did isn't considered scrolling. Scrolling would be, I guess the best option would be to open up Google. So whatever I will be able to scroll here, this would be classified as scrolling. Even when you have content like this, so this isn't technically scrolling because it's divided into two sections, I think. I'm gonna test it out just to show you. So yeah, as you can see, it won't even allow me to scroll in here. But I should be able to scroll in browser, assuming I find something that I can scroll through. Let's go to YouTube maybe. No internet access, so let me fix that up. Okay, so now I have a content that I actually can scroll on. And if I capture it now, for some reason it still doesn't give me the option to scroll, which is quite odd. So anyway, I should normally work in here. I'm not exactly sure why it's not. It's because it's YouTube mobile, I have no clue. But obviously it works. I have tested it out, I just can't really right now find a way to show it. But anyway, and once you capture your screenshots, you can find all of them in your Photos application or gallery, however it's named in here. And just to quickly go over, you normally would be in the Photos tab, which will show you your screenshots. But obviously if you capture photos and just over time, it will be somewhere far down the list. So it might be easier to navigate to albums and then select screenshots and screen recordings. And here you have two different tabs. So you have screenshots tab and screen recordings tab. Obviously we're interested in screenshots. As you can see, there is the YouTube screenshot, settings, and also the home screen that I took. So there we go. This is how you'd capture your screenshots and also where you can find them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.